Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a very close, highly detailed look at a smartwatch that has been making massive waves in the fitness community. If you are watching this video, chances are you are deeply passionate about your physical health, your daily training routines, and pushing your personal boundaries. You also know that finding the exact right piece of wearable technology to strap to your wrist can be an absolute headache. There are so many options out there, but today we're focusing on what might just be the absolute pinnacle of fitness wearables right now. I am talking, of course, about the brand new Garmin Forerunner 970. Before we dive into all the incredible specs, if you want to check the current pricing on this exact model, I have placed a direct Amazon link down in the video description. Clicking that link is the best way to support this channel and guarantees that you're getting the absolute best deal available today. Let us start by talking about the aesthetics and the build quality, because Garmin has genuinely engineered a masterpiece here. The specific model we're reviewing today is the 47mm edition, which in my experience is the absolute perfect sweet spot. It's designed perfectly for men, women, and unisex adults. At 47mm, the watch face is large enough that you can easily read your data while you're running at full speed, but it's not so massive that it feels like you're wearing a brick on your wrist. But what really sets this specific device apart is the material. This is the premium carbon gray DLC titanium version. For those who might not know, DLC stands for diamond-like carbon. When you take the natural lightweight durability of titanium and treat it with a DLC coating, you get a smartwatch that is virtually indestructible. It's highly resistant to scratches, scuffs, and everyday wear and tear. If you're someone who likes to run on rugged trails, mountain bike through the woods, or lift heavy at the gym, this watch can take an absolute beating and still look like it just came out of the box. Accompanying that gorgeous carbon gray bezel is a sleek black and white stone silicone band. The bandwidth is a standard 22mm, and it stretches to a comfortable 22 centimeters in length. Because it's made of high-quality silicone and secured with a traditional tang buckle closure, it remains incredibly secure on your wrist, even when you're dripping with sweat. And speaking of weight, thanks to that titanium build, the watch itself feels unimaginably light. In fact, the item weight is listed at a staggering 2 grams for the core module, making it feel like it completely disappears on your wrist when you're in the zone. Now, we have to talk about the absolute star of the show, the display. Historically, hardcore sports watches used memory and pixel screens to save battery, but they often looked dull. The Garmin Forerunner 970 completely shatters that compromise by featuring a stunning 1.4-inch AMOLED display. The resolution is an incredibly sharp 454 by 454 pixels. Whether you're checking your pace at 6 in the morning in the dark or looking at your heart rate under the blazing afternoon sun, the colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the text is brilliantly legible. Navigation is also incredibly intuitive because Garmin gives you the absolute best of both worlds with its human interface input. You have a highly responsive touchscreen for casually swiping through your daily activity tracker and notifications when you're just sitting at your desk, but you also have physical buttons on the side. Any serious runner will tell you that when your hands are sweaty, or you're swimming, or you're wearing winter gloves, touchscreens become useless. Those tactile physical buttons are an absolute lifesaver when you're in the middle of a grueling multi-sport workout. Since we brought up the brilliant AMOLED screen, you're probably wondering about the battery life. Usually, a bright, beautiful screen means you have to charge the watch every single night. Not with the Forerunner 970. Tucked inside this carbon gray chassis is a high-capacity 560 mAh lithium-ion battery. Because the proprietary Garmin operating system is so beautifully optimized, you're looking at an average battery life of up to 15 days on a single charge. Let me repeat that, 15 days. You can literally go on a 2-week hiking trip, track your steps, monitor your sleep, and read your texts without ever having to plug this device into the wall. When you finally do need to top it off, the included charging cable gets you back to 100% in no time. Let's dive into the fitness and health tracking capabilities, because that's why you buy a Garmin. This is the ultimate multi-sport tracker. It has dedicated sport types programmed right into the software, including cycling, fitness routines, walking, running, and complex multisports like triathlons. It relies on Garmin's world-renowned built-in GPS satellite navigation system. The GPS geotagging functionality is incredibly fast and fiercely accurate, mapping your exact routes, your pace, and your distance, whether you're in a concrete jungle or a dense forest. On the biometric side, it's constantly working in the background to measure your most vital metrics. It keeps a highly accurate step count, tracks your total distance, and monitors your heart rate with medical-grade precision 24 hours a day. It even has advanced sleep duration tracking, so when you wake up, you know exactly how well your body recovered overnight. And don't worry about getting it wet, because the Forerunner 970 boasts a water resistance depth of 50 meters, meaning you can swim, surf, and shower with total peace of mind. Beyond being a hardcore fitness device, it's also a fantastic everyday smartwatch. Using Bluetooth technology, it connects seamlessly to your smartphone. The compatibility is universal, supporting both Android devices and iOS devices, as well as laptops, PCs, and tablets. Once connected, your communication features come alive. You get all your important notifications, emails, and text messages sent right to your wrist. It also features a massive 32 gigabytes of memory storage capacity. This is huge because it allows you to download your favorite music playlists, podcasts, and offline maps directly to the watch. You can pair your Bluetooth headphones directly to the watch and leave your heavy smartphone at home while you go out for your long run. It's an unbelievable feeling of freedom. It even supports multiple languages, including native support for Portuguese Brazilian, making it accessible to an even wider global audience. If you need a bit of social proof before making a decision, the numbers on Amazon absolutely speak for themselves. The Garmin Forerunner 970, model number 01029690001, has earned a stellar rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 500 verified customer reviews. It's sitting very comfortably high up on the best sellers rank, specifically inside the top 100 for electronics, and it currently ranks at number 732 in the highly competitive wearable technology category. People absolutely love this device, praising its unbeatable combination of premium titanium materials, the vibrant AMOLED screen, and the insane 15-day battery life. Plus, it comes backed by a comprehensive 1-year limited warranty from the manufacturer, giving you total security on your investment. In conclusion, if you are serious about upgrading your lifestyle and you want a device that refuses to compromise on battery life, durability, or display quality, the Garmin Forerunner 970 is the smartwatch for you. It bridges the gap perfectly between an elite athletic tracking tool and a stylish everyday piece of wearable tech. Once again, if you're ready to pick up the Forerunner 970 for yourself, or if you just want to read through some of those 5-star reviews, make sure you click that Amazon link down in the description below. It's the quickest way to find the current best price, and it really helps support the videos I make for you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this review, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the best fitness technology on the market, and leave a comment letting me know what your favorite feature of the Forerunner 970 is. Stay active, keep crushing your goals, and I'll see you in the next one.